Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a copy of your Google Sheet. So here I have a sheet which is named as info magnified. So I want to make a copy of this entire sheet. All I need to do is go to file and then you see a make a copy. Click on make a copy and it says if you want to add or edit a name. So I'm gonna make it as just magnified, then write down the name. Just make sure I click on make a copy, and that is it. Your new sheet is ready with the same data. Usually we make a copy because we do not want to make changes in the main sheet, and we just want to do a make a copy and do a check or practice or verify the data, and instead of doing in the main sheet, it is good to have a copy and check and edit, and if it is all good, then you can go ahead and make the changes in the original sheet. So that is it from my end. Thank you so much.